Today, we will practice the shadowing technique together.
Today, we learn how to share our ideas.
How to agree and how to say no politely.
But what is shadowing?
You listen and speak at the same time. It's not important that you understand the meaning of the words. Your goal is to train your mouth to pronounce words and sentences.
It's like a song. You copy our voices to learn the rhythm of English.
It helps you speak faster and with a better accent.
You don't need to study rules.
You just copy our voices. It is like music for your mouth. Ready? Let's go!
I am confident when I share my ideas.
I am confident when I share my ideas.
My opinion matters in every conversation.
My opinion matters in every conversation.
I can disagree politely and clearly.
I can disagree politely and clearly.
1. Strong
agreement.
agreement. I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
You're absolutely right.
You're absolutely right.
I'm with you on that.
I'm with you on that.
That's exactly how I feel.
That's exactly how I feel.
You're spot on.
You're spot on.
I completely agree with you.
I completely agree with you.
That's a great point.
That's a great point.
I was just thinking that.
I was just thinking that.
No doubt about it.
No doubt about it.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
I'm 100% with you.
I'm 100% with you.
That's for sure.
That's for sure.
I agree with you entirely.
I agree with you entirely.
You hit the nail on the head.
You hit the nail on the head.
I'm of the same opinion.
I'm of the same opinion.
2. Polite agreement. I suppose you're right.
I suppose you're right.
I see what you mean.
I see what you mean.
That makes sense to me.
That makes sense to me.
I guess so.
I guess so.
Fair enough.
Fair enough.
I think you have a point there.
I think you have a point there.
I can see why you say that.
I can see why you say that.
That's true, I guess.
That's true, I guess.
I'm inclined to agree with you.
I'm inclined to agree with you.
You might be right about that.
You might be right about that.
I agree with you to some extent.
I agree with you to some extent.
That's a fair observation.
That's a fair observation.
I see where you're coming from.
I see where you're coming from.
I'm on the same page as you.
I'm on the same page as you.
We see eye to eye on this.
We see eye to eye on this.
3. Polite.
Adam, my mouth says stop.
Really?
Yes, it wants a rest.
Guys, if you feel tired, it's okay.
Learning English is a workout.
A mouth workout?
Yes, my mouth is training hard.
If you are still with us,
Great job.
you are doing great.
Keep going.
If this practice helps you, give the video a big like.
And share it with a friend.
Let's continue. 3. Polite disagreement. I see your point, but I disagree.
I see your point, but I disagree.
I'm not so sure about that.
I'm not so sure about that.
I respectfully disagree.
I respectfully disagree.
I'm afraid I have a different opinion.
I'm afraid I have a different opinion.
That's not exactly how I see it.
That's not exactly how I see it.
I understand, but I think differently.
I understand, but I think differently.
I beg to differ.
I beg to differ.
I don't think that's quite right.
I don't think that's quite right.
That might be true, but look at this.
That might be true, but look at this.
I'm not sure I follow your logic.
I'm not sure I follow your logic.
I see things a little differently.
I see things a little differently.
That's one way to look at it, but
That's one way to look at it, but
I'm not convinced yet.
I'm not convinced yet.
I disagree with you on this one.
I disagree with you on this one.
Actually, I think the opposite.
Actually, I think the opposite.
4. Strong disagreement and saying no. I totally disagree.
I totally disagree.
I'm sorry, but that's not true.
I'm sorry, but that's not true.
I'm afraid I can't agree with that.
I'm afraid I can't agree with that.
No, that's not right at all.
No, that's not right at all.
I'm completely against that idea.
I'm completely against that idea.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I'm sorry, but I have to say no.
I'm sorry, but I have to say no.
That's out of the question for me.
That's out of the question for me.
I really don't see it that way.
I really don't see it that way.
No way. That's impossible.
No way, that's impossible.
I'm sorry, I can't go along with that.
I'm sorry, I can't go along with that.
That doesn't work for me.
That doesn't work for me.
I'm going to have to pass on that.
I'm going to have to pass on that.
I'm not comfortable with that.
I'm not comfortable with that.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to say no.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to say no. 60 sentences. Now you know how to speak your mind.
Great job today. If you agree that this video was helpful, hit the like button.
And subscribe to Snack English. Please tell us in the comments, what is your opinion on shadowing?
Practice these every day so you can say no or yes with confidence. See you in the next snack.